Hey guys, Matt back at Inside Garage. Today I'm just going to be doing a quick review on the new GoPro 8 Media Mod to see if it's worth it or not. They retail for about $80. You just open them up on the side, slip your GoPro into them, make sure you have the update for it, and then that's it. Kind of a plug and play thing. I'm going to play a bunch of just ringtones off my phone with and without the Media Mod on it, because really all it is a better microphone, and see if we can hear any difference and see if it's worth it or not. If you want to make sure that your Media Mod is working, you go to preferences, go to input output, and audio input will tell you it's the Media Mod. So besides the upgraded microphone on the Media Mod, there's actually a lot more features to it. One, it has a couple mounts on the top and the side for either an LED light or a bigger screen in the back. In the back of it, because it's harder to change out the battery, they have a USB-C to charge the device, and they also have a micro HDMI output, so you can, I don't know, output it to a screen so you kind of watch what you're doing. So if you want to keep your production small without having to spend a lot on a big 4K camcorder, the Media Mod really is something that will allow you a good platform to build upon. All right, let me know what you guys think. If you have a cheap computer, you may not be able to hear a difference with the speaker system, but if you're playing from your TV and surround sound, it might be quite a bit of difference. I'm going to play it from all that once I get everything loaded up. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to Inside Garage. Thank you.